During the Renaissance, significant advancements were made in the study of human anatomy, which laid the groundwork for a deeper understanding of the vestibular system. The work of Andreas Vesalius, for example, provided detailed descriptions of the inner ear's structure. However, it wasn't until the 19th and 20th centuries that scientists began to unravel the complexities of the vestibular system and its role in balance and spatial orientation. Early discoveries. One of the pivotal figures in this field was the French physiologist Jean-Pierre Flourens, who in the early 19th century conducted experiments that demonstrated the role of the semicircular canals in balance. His work laid the foundation for future research and sparked interest in understanding how the vestibular system contributes to equilibrium. 20th century breakthroughs. In the 20th century, the work of Nobel laureates Robert Barany and Charles Sherrington further advanced our understanding of the vestibular system. Barany's studies on the human vestibular system, particularly his work on vestibular nystagmus, earned him the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine in 1914. Sherrington's research on the integrative functions of the nervous system also contributed to the understanding of how sensory inputs, including those from the vestibular system, are processed to maintain balance. Modern advances. Modern research in the 21st century continues to build on these historical foundations, with advancements in neuroimaging and molecular biology allowing for more detailed exploration of the vestibular system. Researchers are now able to map the neural pathways involved in balance and understand how different regions of the brain interact to process vestibular information. Recent technological advancements have revolutionized the study and treatment of vestibular disorders, providing new tools for diagnosis, rehabilitation, and research. Neuroimaging techniques. Advanced neuroimaging techniques, such as functional MRI, fMRI, and positron emission tomography, PET, have allowed scientists to visualize the brain's activity in real time, providing insights into how the vestibular system interacts with other sensory systems to maintain balance. These techniques have also been instrumental in identifying the neural correlates of vestibular disorders, leading to more accurate diagnoses and targeted treatments. Virtual reality and vestibular rehabilitation. Virtual reality, VR, has emerged as a powerful tool in vestibular rehabilitation. VR systems can simulate various environments and movements, allowing patients with vestibular disorders to practice balance and spatial orientation in a controlled and safe setting. This form of therapy has been particularly effective in treating conditions like vestibular migraine and chronic dizziness. Genetic research. Advancements in genetic research have also shed light on the hereditary aspects of some vestibular disorders. For example, researchers have identified specific genetic mutations associated with Meniere's disease and other balance-related conditions. This knowledge is paving the way for the development of gene therapies and personalized medicine approaches to treating vestibular disorders. Wearable technology. Wearable devices equipped with accelerometers and gyroscopes can monitor an individual's movements and provide real-time feedback to help improve balance. These devices are increasingly being used in both clinical settings and everyday life to assist individuals with balance impairments. Examining case studies of individuals with vestibular disorders provides valuable insights into the challenges these conditions present and the effectiveness of various treatment approaches. Case Study 1. Benign paroxysmal positional vertigo, BPPV. A 55-year-old woman presented with sudden onset vertigo, particularly when turning her head to the right. After a detailed evaluation, she was diagnosed with BPPV, condition caused by dislodged otoconia that interfere with the normal functioning of the semicircular canals. The patient underwent the Epley maneuver, a series of head movements designed to reposition the otoconia. Following the treatment, her symptoms resolved completely, highlighting the effectiveness of this non-invasive intervention. Case Study 2. Vestibular neuritis. A 42-year-old man experienced severe vertigo and imbalance following a viral infection. He was diagnosed with vestibular neuritis, an inflammation of the vestibular nerve. Despite initial treatment with corticosteroids, the patient continued to experience dizziness and was referred for vestibular rehabilitation therapy. Through a series of exercises designed to improve balance and compensate for the loss of vestibular function, the patient gradually regained stability and was able to return to his normal activities. Case Study 3. Meniere's disease. A 60-year-old man with a history of fluctuating hearing loss, tinnitus, and episodes of vertigo was diagnosed with Meniere's disease. The patient was initially treated with dietary modifications, including reduced sodium intake, which helped manage his symptoms. However, as the condition progressed, he underwent intratympanic injections of corticosteroids, which provided significant relief from vertigo. This case illustrates the chronic nature of Meniere's disease and the importance of personalized treatment strategies. Athletes rely heavily on their vestibular system to maintain balance, coordination, and spatial awareness during high-intensity activities. The vestibular system's ability to detect and respond to rapid changes in head position and movement is crucial in sports that require precise body control, such as gymnastics, diving, and figure skating. Training the vestibular system, athletes often engage in specialized training to enhance their vestibular function. Exercises that involve rapid changes in direction, head movements, and balance challenges can help improve the efficiency of the vestibular system. For example, balance board training and agility drills are commonly used in sports like soccer and basketball to enhance proprioception and vestibular integration. Vestibular injuries in sports, concussions and head injuries are common in contact sports and can significantly impact the vestibular system. Athletes who suffer from vestibular dysfunction due to head trauma may experience symptoms such as dizziness, imbalance, and difficulty focusing. Vestibular rehabilitation therapy is often a key component of recovery, helping athletes regain their balance and coordination. The vestibular system is not unique to humans. It is a fundamental sensory system in all vertebrates, playing a crucial role in maintaining balance and spatial orientation across different species. In birds, the vestibular system is highly specialized to support flight. Birds rely on their vestibular system to maintain stability during rapid maneuvers and changes in altitude. The semicircular canals in birds are often more developed than in other animals, allowing for precise detection of rotational movements during flight. Fish have a unique adaptation in their vestibular system to detect changes in water pressure and currents, which are critical for maintaining balance in an aquatic environment. The otoliths in fish are particularly sensitive to these changes, allowing them to navigate through complex underwater environments with ease. Mammals, including humans, have a well-developed vestibular system that supports a wide range of movements. In species that engage in complex motor activities, such as primates, the vestibular system is highly integrated with the visual and proprioceptive systems to enable coordinated movement. Comparative studies of the vestibular systems in different species provide valuable insights into the evolutionary adaptations that have allowed animals to thrive in diverse environments. Understanding these adaptations can also inform the development of new treatments for vestibular disorders in humans. As our understanding of the vestibular system continues to grow, several exciting avenues of research are emerging, promising to revolutionize the diagnosis, treatment, and prevention of vestibular disorders. Neuroprosthetics. One of the most promising areas of research is the development of neuroprosthetic devices that can restore vestibular function in individuals with severe balance disorders. These devices, such as vestibular implants, designed to bypass damaged parts of the vestibular system and directly stimulate the brain, providing real-time feedback to help maintain balance. Gene therapy. Advances in gene therapy hold potential for treating hereditary vestibular disorders. Researchers are exploring ways to deliver corrective genes to the inner ear, potentially reversing the effects of genetic mutations that cause conditions like Meniere's disease and congenital vestibular dysfunction. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning. AI and machine learning are being used to develop sophisticated diagnostic tools that can analyze patterns in vestibular function and predict the onset of balance disorders. These technologies are also being applied to personalized treatment plans, optimizing rehabilitation exercises based on an individual's specific needs. Public health initiatives. As the global population ages, there is a growing need for public health initiatives focused on preventing falls and balance disorders. Research into the effectiveness of community-based balance training programs and educational campaigns is crucial for reducing the burden of vestibular disorders on healthcare systems. The sense of balance, supported by the vestibular system, is a complex and essential function that enables humans and other animals to interact with their environment safely and effectively. The intricate interplay between the visual, proprioceptive, and vestibular systems allows for the maintenance of equilibrium and spatial orientation, which are vital for everyday activities and complex motor tasks. Understanding the vestibular system and its role in balance has come a long way since ancient times, with modern research uncovering the detailed mechanisms that underlie this critical sensory function. Technological advancements have provided new tools for diagnosing and treating vestibular disorders, offering hope for individuals affected.